Hello, my name is Mohammed Abu Shashia. I'm going to present Smart Washing Machine product. The existing washing machine are not really that smart, even the latest one from Samsung. The idea by offering this product is to save the time and efforts for the user. We aim to create a washing machine with a brain, or at least performs a single function by itself. This is a list of our most needed functions for a truly smart machine. You choose the right temperature, you group my clothes, you add the washing powder by yourself, add perfume and lenient liquids, and finally notify me when it's all done and dry. How are we going to achieve this? Scan each new piece of clothes to record fabric, color and type. Add sensors inside the apparel to identify all those specs. Then a machine that truly learns. You only need to click the launch button and you are free to go. As a part of feasibility study, I went through SWOT analysis. The strengths are multifunction, saves time and efforts, futuristic adoption, saves energy, stand-alone, competitive price, and the weaknesses for my product is cost more than regular washing machine, requires manufacturing and design excellence, prototyping highly depends on current available technologies. The opportunities are could be commercially widely adopted, could be adopted by large commercial machines. More features could be added if the initial idea was accepted. Use the same technology in other machines and services. The threats are competition by big brand names, and errors in the machine system could lead to cloth damage. As a second part of feasibility study, I went through the cost structure for the product. So as we see in this table, the component and the price per each component, so the profit per piece is €300. Here we can see in this table the cost per 100 pieces after dealing with the suppliers, so the profit is €44,000. So now you just need to say yes and show me the money. Thank you.